Hello everyone, welcome back to S.1 Mathematics. In the previous classes, we looked at giving place values of digits in given numbers. And what we did was, we were giving the place value of every number or every digit in the numbers that we were given. But exams can be specific. They can give you a number and then they ask you to give the place value of only one digit in that number. So there is no sin when you follow our procedure. When you follow our procedure, you will start by listing all the place values of the digits in that number, and then you must conclude that therefore the place value of this number is this, just by going back and checking the corresponding place value. So what we did was general, however, always be flexible and customize it as per the question. So in this class, we are going to look at the value of a digit in a number. We looked at place value, and now we are looking at the value of a number. And clearly, we wrote an NB. We started with NB in the previous videos. We said NB. We said this NB here, the value of a digit or number, we can use them interchangeably, depends on its position. Position is simply location. The value of a number depends on its position. So we have looked at how we tell the place values or how we tell the position of a number, and now we are going to proceed to how we can get the value of a number in that given position. So let me start here with example 1. Example 1. Example 1 will say, state the value of each digit or of each of the digits in the numbers below. And let me say the first number is A. A, I can just say 8, 1, 4, 3. B, okay. Let me start by solving A. After A, then we go to B. We are going to just give the value of each number or each digit in this given number. So, part A, if by place value 3 has a place value of 1s, which implies that in this number there are 3 1s. Let me make a quick recap of what we did, because it will be significant in giving us a directive of how we get the values. 4 is in the position or place of tens, therefore there are 4 tens. 1 is in position of hundreds, that means there is only 100. 8 is in position of thousand, therefore there are 8,000s. Now when we break it down, there is a simple formula which in senior 1 it may not be easy for you to cope with it, but those ones who are in senior 2, 3 and 4 can use it. I will give that formula towards the end of this example as a summary of it. So if this is ones, anyway, let me first list them: ones, tens, hundreds, and then 8 is thousands. Now, when we now look at their values, so let me say value of, just terminate like that. Value of 3. How you start does not matter. You can start by giving the value of 3, 4, 1, and 8. Or you can start by giving for 8, 1, 4, and then 3. So I'm going to start from 8. We have said that there are 8 thousands. So the value of 8 is what? 8,000. The value of 8 is 8,000 because it is in the position of thousands. What about the value of 1? The value of 1 given its position is 100. Why? Because we have seen that it is in position of hundreds. There are 100s, which is the same as saying there is 100. And then the position of 4, and then the value of 4 given its position, it is in position of tens. That means there are 4 tens. So if you add up those 4 tens, if you add up those 4 tens, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 gives you 40. So the value of 4 is 40. And then now the value of 3, given its position, it is in the position of ones. There are 3 ones. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives you 3. So the value of 3 is also 3.